no?
Yes.
Okay, great. So all of us, raise your hand. Make a cup. Come on to your lips. Lift it and smile. Yeah. It's the first thing that we all do. Okay? With a smile on your face, I would request all of you to just keep your eyes closed for a few seconds. Always open your eyes and just place your hands here. Okay? And so all of you deeply inhale and expand your hands. Okay? So we are going to do this exercise, so spread yourself. If you feel like, spread yourself a little bit. Deeply inhale. Exhale. Contract. Inhale. Expand. Exhale. Contract. Inhale. Expand. Exhale. Contract. What's the feeling you get? Yeah?
I felt because I'm very happy to just come out with my stress center.
You felt very happy that you're feeling stressed. What stress do you all have? You were so happy that you were kids. This little thought, you can think that sometimes when we look at such big problems, there are a lot of possibilities and solutions. But what we land up looking at, that we feel we are helpless and we don't turn around to ask. We don't turn around to ask to our closest friends, our relationships. And during our growing up of age, the greatest strength and relationships that we share most is with the family and with the environment of schooling where we are in. With our teachers, with our guides, with our mentors. So, we should always understand that how we can turn around to get some help from them. They are our strength. But after we get help from them, what is most important? We should help them, absolutely. And by helping them, the most other important attribute is we need to respect. We need to respect them because it's not important to listen to your elders because they are always right. But they have more experience of being wrong.